Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are back in PTFS. So we just dropped off a passenger plane with my co-pilot. He just went on break. Now we have to fly our plane all the way to Perth International. So we just need to get the plane there. We just need to get the plane there. No crash. Just deliver the plane. No passengers, nothing. So, we're going to driving. Okay, beginning pushback. Oop, I'm back. The cost 2 lives here. This guy better not cut me off or anything. Ooh, is that an A380? Damn, that's cool. I have an A350, which I kind of consider over the A350. So we just taxied. Now we're gonna proceed to take off. Pull up a bit, and we're up. Put our gear down, keep climbing. See if the plane's landing there. This should be a relatively short flight. And really you can do anything with the plane. You don't have to worry about customer satisfaction. Such annoying pattern. I'm hearing another plane. Tell me why there's a fighter jet above my head. No. Be so for real. Why is there a fighter jet above my head? No, because really, why is that bad? Probably not for me. I should just move. What are they doing? Are they? Oh my god, guys. They just bombed us and they hit our right engine with lock-on missiles. We need to clutch this landing. Slow down. This is Emirates 8592. No passenger aboard. Pilot only. Struck by a fighter jet. We have taken heavy damage to the right engine. Repeat, taken heavy damage to the right engine. Over. Landing at Perth International. Right, we can get through this. Come on. I can hear them above my head. Oh my gosh. I'm not showing the ground. Way too no, we're stalling. that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss any of our videos. Also, shout out to this legend for being in our videos, and please recommend our channels. If you want to join any of our videos, my Discord is in my bio. Feel free to send in your application and our administration team will view it. That's all for today, guys.